How to make an easy and light Piña Colada using coconut LaCroix. There's no denying that a frozen Piña Colada on a hot summer day is the ultimate boozy treat. However, between the effort required to blend up all the ingredients and the overall heaviness of the drink itself, this drink can be a lot to handle. To lighten things up and make your bartending experience way easier, opt for this clever, simple coconut LaCroix shortcut that still delivers that signature coconut and rum kick. There are few drink combinations as mighty as coconut and rum. Regardless of what you're doing and where you are when you're drinking it, a swig of this tropical concoction instantly takes you to the nearest beach, no questions asked. As much as we love a good frozen Piña Colada, the official drink of any beach vacation, sometimes these icy cold drinks are a little much. Even if you're slow enough of a sipper to avoiding downing one of these in a heartbeat, sending yourself straight into paralysis via brain freeze, they're still a heavy beverage on the stomach. And digestive discomfort is never the move when you're laying out poolside, trust us. In order to satisfy that coconut and rum craving without sending your system over the edge, or having to go through the trouble of breaking out the blender, we simplified the process and lightened up the cocktail. Coconut LaCroix, the infamously divisive flavor known to some as their favorite, and to others as a kind of liquid sunscreen, is the secret in this bubbly spin on a Piña Colada. So here's how you whip it up, you bartender, you. If you have a cocktail shaker, that's great. Use that. If not, that's cool, too. Use a tall glass and the mighty forces of a spoon in your hand to mix this sucker up real good. In whichever vessel you have chosen to be the home for your concocting, mix 1 can of LaCroix, 1 ounce, shots of white rum, 1/4 cup orange juice, and the squeeze of half a lime. Depending on the kind of lifestyle you lead and the kind of night you're trying to have, this makes 1 or 2 drinks. Throw it in your tumbler and bring it to the beach, slurp it down poolside, or make a big batch for a punch bowl at your next summer shindig. Either way, this ultra-fresh, lightened version of a Piña Colada is about to be your new go-to. And to all you coconut LaCroix haters, it just might even change your minds. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.